Today, yes, another kids unboxing. This was sent the same day as the Fosquero one, I think. So yes, wow, I can't. So, oops, not my address showing. Let's ignore that. So yay, let's. Oh, I love the collection. So pretty. I can't. So, wow. Okay, I've been seen this on Instagram. So this is the Muses collection. Yeah, I've seen people unbox these. I really wanted to try this collection so bad. Wow, it looks so ethereal, like a very, I don't know, it looks very nice. Wow, like a pixie beauty. It reminds me of a pixie. Yeah, wow. So this is a Kiss Lash Couture, the Muses collection. I don't know what the Muses mean. I know, but it's inspired by the popular royal core aesthetic. So yeah, like royalty. Okay, that makes sense. So these are handmade and these are refined full silk lash fibers. So these are silk lashes. They're cruelty free. They're vegan. They're not mink lashes. So if you're into silk lashes, then you're gonna love these because look, they're very, very, very nice. They're natural. Okay, that fell. I wish I knew which order it came, but oh, let's ignore that. So, okay, so the first pair of lashes are in the style Legacy. They're very natural and wispy, so they look very soft. So these are elegant and it gives you a soft layer finish. So yeah, wow. Okay, so this is how they look on the model. Looks very pretty, very natural. Like these I would wear every day. These are my type of lash style now. Before I would like to wear the big ones, but now that I'm getting older, I don't wear as much makeup anymore. So I'm trying to heal my original real lashes. I'm trying to let them grow, so I don't really wear them. Big lashes, I feel like these look better on my eye shape, the smaller ones, you know. But I mean, I'll still wear the big ones, but it's not my go-to anymore. But yeah, wow, they're very, very nice. So, okay, so the next pair of lashes is in the style Empress. So very long and wispy, but very spacious. Like it's, wow, very, very pretty. So these look like this on the model. They look very similar. Is it the same? They look the same. I don't know. But wow. Okay. Wow. Okay, so this keeps falling. Okay, so okay, from left to right. Okay, so no bless, no please. So these are natural lashes, very not small, I guess, but not really. So wow. So these are very nice and pretty. This is in the style Douches. Oh wow, these are very big and wispy and voluminous. So not the hairs, these are very fluffy. Wow. Okay, these are the more dramatic ones. The other ones were pretty natural, so these are very nice and soft. Okay, so wow. Okay, and the last two, okay, this one's on the left side is the style Sire. Okay, so I like Sire. I get it. Never mind. I was gonna say, but no. In like a cool royal way, but no, I can't do it fancy. I can't. So okay, these are natural. It's like very tiny, small, and then it goes medium, and then very long. Oh, I actually think I'm gonna love these. These look very cool. Wow, wow. Okay, so and the last pair of lashes are in the style Supreme. So wow, these are very, very tiny, very, very cute though. Okay, so she's not the main character, but she's still very she's cute, you know. She's still out there just in her own little way. Yeah. So wow. Okay, so Actually, I feel like these are the ones that stood out to me the most, I think. No, yeah, or which? I think, yeah, I don't know. Well, which one's your favorite? Like, all of these are mainly natural, but they're all very, very pretty. Like, I can't. So, they're very nice. So, I like all of them. Okay, so that's pretty much it. This box, they only sent me lashes, no lash glue or anything. So yay, thank you so much, kids, for sending me another box. This is my 4th box of Kiss unboxing today. They sent me 4 boxes. Like, really, if they would have sent me one, I would be happy, but it's 4 and I still don't know how to react. I feel like it's too much. Like, what, I don't know. Like, you can tell I don't really get gifts like this. This is like Christmas. Like, I didn't get Christmas gifts last year for a lot of years. I guess this makes up for it, you know, birthday, everything. So, wow. I think I'm good when it comes to lashes. I don't think I need any. Cause what? Wow. We'll see. We'll see how they look on me. And if you have hooded, small, average size eyes, and kind of almond, but normal eyes. If you kind of have my eye shape, then you can use me as an example when it comes to buying one of their lashes, you know. So I hope I can help y'all, or I don't know, but yay. Yay, I guess I'm just gonna end it here. So bye. Thanks for watching.